Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide the payment method for certain products using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Products Tags Condition. In the blank box that appears, enter your desired product tags. You can add multiple tags separated by commas. For this example, we will add only one tag, pre-order. This means any order containing products with the pre-order tag will have cash on delivery hidden. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now let's add the pre-order tag to a specific product. As you can see, I've already tagged one product with the pre-order tag. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide Cash on Delivery if the product tags contain pre-order. Now let's test our rule. We already have a product called Wooden Spin in the cart. As you can see, Cash on Delivery visible on the checkout page. Now let's add the products which are tagged with pre-order to the cart and go to the checkout page. As you can see, the Cash on Delivery payment method is gone. That's a simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!